Okay, we move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a person who taught you something important, right? You can speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Your time starts now.
A person who taught me something important, he was my teacher. His name is Muhammad Shahid, and I was met him in my college time. And I have difficulty. He taught me to how to achieve my goals and stick on it, and focus on my way that was I achieved in my life. And basically I was a little nervous to get admission in high university, and their getting score is so much high, and he taught me some accounting techniques to how to get high score and getting admission in this university. And that time I've become depressed, and I can't focus on my goals. And that time he supported me to get that score and getting admission in that university.
That's it. You spoke for 58 seconds, so you should try to speak more, okay? Well, I found some grammatical mistakes. Like you said, I was met. It should have been I met.
Yes.
And then you used past and present together. Stick to it. I mean, you should have used the past tense for that. Then you made some sentences which were not complete sentences, like subject, verb, object. They were only the phrases, like getting score and all that. Then you said I become depressed. It should have been I became depressed, past tense.
Yes.
So mainly your mistakes were related to past tense and sentence structure, like you used only phrases without subject, verb, object, right? Now we move on to speaking part 3. What qualities do you think a good teacher should have?
I think the teacher should have some friendly sorry.
That's okay. Who do you think can learn better, older people or youngsters?
I think youngsters youngsters have an ability to getting new information or doing something new in their lives, and searching something different according to their brains or minds, and they try to invent something new to achieve their goals.
Okay. What do you think is the best age for children to go to school?
The best age, according to me, the best age is 4 years old, because that age children picking power is more strong, and they learn very fast, and they pick every tick and tats something teacher will taught them.
Now see, teacher will taught them
They will
and
teach.
mistakes like that. There are many mistakes which are related to present, past, sentence structure. You should focus your basic grammar. That's very, very important. Otherwise, the way you are speaking at present, it will only bring you 5.5. So in order to get a reasonable band, that is around 6.5 to 7, number 1 is grammatical mistakes for you. Number 2, the content of your answer, especially in part 3. I mean, your answers are incomplete. You need to add some detail to your answers, right? So next time when we do this, you should come with an improved version of yourself,
Okay,
and
sir.
then you can perform better, right? Okay, thank you.